Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed few bits of lesson 9, the zebra's pajama. In today's session, children, let us discuss grammar fun. In grammar fun, today's our topic is has, have, had, was, were. The usage of words has, have, had, was, and were. So here, the verb has is used when we talk about one person, place, animal, or thing. The verb have is used when we talk about more than one person, place, animal, or thing. Have is also used with I and you. Has, have, had, was, were, all these are the verbs. So the verb has is used when we discuss or talk about one person, place, animal, or thing. So for the singular form we use has. Whereas for the plural form, that is when we talk about more than one person, place, animal, or thing, we use the word have. In the same way, the word have is used along with I and you, like I have, you have. Okay, now let us see the examples here. A zebra has stripes. A zebra has stripes. Here a zebra, that is we are talking about one zebra. So the singular verb has is used here. Whereas horses do not have stripes. Here horses, more than one horse, we are talking about the plural form. So the verb have is used. Next, I have a striped shirt. Here I. So along with I, have word is used. This is a verb which is used with I. I have a striped shirt. In the same way, you have one just like mine. Okay, so have is used for the plural forms as well as it is used along with the word I and you. Children, now based on the same concept, bit G, fill in the blanks with has or have. So here the fill in the blanks are given. You have to fill the blanks by using the words has or have, like singular form has, plural form have. So here the first question. An octopus dash 8 legs. An octopus dash 8 legs. An octopus, it's a singular form, so we use the word has. H-A-S, has. Second one, Charlie dash bought a new bicycle. Here Charlie is the singular form, so we use the word has. The verb has to be used with the when we talk about the singular form. Next, third one, I dash got 4 new pencils. I dash got 4 new pencils. So the verb have is used along with I and you. So here I is there. So what the verb we have to write? Have. H-A-V-E, have. Next, fourth one, Punita dash a kind heart. Punita dash a kind heart. So Punita is the name of a person. It's a singular form. So we use the word has. Next, fifth one, Shika and Amin dash scored A plus in their science projects. So here two persons are there, that is Shika and Amin. Two are there, so it's a plural form. That's why we use the verb have. H-A-V-E, have. Sixth one, this week we don't dash a sports day. This week we don't dash a sports day. So here this week we is the plural form. So we use the verb have. This week we don't have a sports period. Seventh one, we dash decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. We dash decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. Here we is the plural form, so the verb have is used. Okay. Now Let us read the fill in the blanks, children. First one, an octopus has 8 legs. Charlie has bought a new bicycle. I have got 4 new pencils. Punita has a kind heart. Fifth one, Shikha and Aman have scored A plus in their science projects. Sixth one, this week we don't have a sports period. Seventh question is, we have decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. Okay, that is about bit G. Next, when we talk about something that happened in the past, we use the verbs was, were or had. Was is used with the singular nouns. Were is used with the plural nouns. Had is used with both singular and plural nouns. Coming to the verbs has and have. Has is used with the singular form, whereas have verb is used when we talk about the plural form. Whereas the words was, were or had is used when we talk about something that had happened in the past. So here was is used with the singular nouns that already happened. Were is used with the plural past nouns. And had is used both with the singular form and plural nouns, like little zebra was lazy. Here little zebra is the singular form. So singular noun. So was is used. Whereas Stalin and Palomino were plural forms. So the word were is used for the were is used when we talk that had happened in the past, when we talk in the past tense. And mule had a wild streak. Like word had is used for both singular nouns as well as with the plural nouns. Okay, now here bit H, fill in the blanks with was, were or had. Was is used for the singular nouns, were is used for the plural nouns, and had is used in case of both singular as well as the plural nouns. First question, children. When I dash a baby, I had a pink coat. So when I, here I is a singular form, so we use the verb was. When I was a baby, I had a pink coat. So here the verb is was. Right was. Second one, we dash a tough time finding Mr. Lal's house. So here the verb had is used. We had a tough time finding Mr. Lal's house. Third one, they dashed 25 students in our class last year. They dashed 25 students in our class last year. So 25 students is a plural form. So we use the verb were. There were. Fourth one, flowers dash blooming in this garden last spring. So flowers is the plural form. So the verb were is used. Were. Flowers were blooming in this garden last spring. Next, I dash a pet squirrel when I dash a child. I dash a pet squirrel when I dash a child. So here the first blank is I had a pet squirrel when I was a child. Okay, now the last sixth one, Tim dashed some milk and went to sleep. So Tim had some milk and went to sleep. Okay, that is about bit H. Now let us read the fill in the blanks, children. First one, when I was a baby, I had a pink coat. Second one, we had a tough time finding Mr. Lal's house. Third one, there were 25 students in our class last year. Fourth one, flowers were blooming in this garden last spring. Fifth one, I had a pet squirrel when I was a child. And last sixth one, Tim had some milk and went to sleep. Okay, that is about bit H. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's your homework, children, learn and write lesson 9, all the bits in your textbook. Okay, children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.